Trying out think him as well as out race him. And Michael Dunlop following in the wheel tracks. Oh, so late on the brakes. Oh, he's off!
Away now.
But there was an awful long gap there in between Hutchinson and Michael Dunlop and Keith Moore appearing here, and the road goes quiet here for a moment or two.
It's like the start of a TV programme, like an all-action TV programme where the screen is filled with...
I didn't get off to the best of starts, really. Sort of, in the first lap wasn't very fast for me, with a few broken bones. When I first admitted into Noble's Hospital after my accident,